kitty. The big kitty, not for you.
Not for you, Mama.
Get out of it. Can I have some?
Yeah, give her a little bit. It's because she's being so patient. She's getting it everywhere. She. You have to wash her.
She cleans herself usually when she's done. How funny is that? I've never seen a kitten do that.
Me neither.
Put the shit out of it to make it hers.
Oh, all of my floor.
I'll clean it, don't worry.
I gotta fuck clean this.
She jumps in it.
It's enough food, little one.
She smacks too. She's growling.
She fucking get.